What's going on, everybody? So recently, Altcoin Daily had a great conversation with Gala Games president of blockchain, Bitbender, and of course, he has been on this channel as well in the past. Jason Brink, aka Bitbender, is the president of blockchain at Gala Games, and he shared a lot of things in terms of where Gala is and where blockchain gaming is. But some of the most exciting things he mentioned were, number one, he sees Gala as a top 25 crypto, a top 25 crypto in terms of not only market cap, but in terms of just overall exposure and overall utility and what it can bring to the space. You know, nothing has fundamentally changed for me for Gala Games. I still feel the same. I feel as if they are going to be the leader in the blockchain gaming space. You know, right now, Gala Games is actually up a little bit here on the day. They're ranked number 69 on the big board. They are closer to 3 cents than 2 cents right now. Gala getting a nice surge right now as we speak, which is nice to see. It's actually up higher right now in the 7-day period than it's been in all the last 7 days. And we're getting close to that 1 month high where we got up close to a little bit over the 2.8 level. So we might even get there some point today on this trajectory. And we zoom out to the 1 year. Gala had a nice run up back in January, February of this year, where we got up to about 6 cents. And before then, we had a nice run as well late last year, similar numbers. But we're waiting for the next big blow off top. We're waiting for the next bull run to really see Gala come to fruition. The difference now compared to where we were in the previous cycle in 2021 is that Gala Games has just more built out. They have more games in general. They're also going mobile, which completely changes the game. They're getting into not only the PC side, but they took over Ember Entertainment, massive mobile gaming studio. So that's going to allow them, I think, to really dominate in this next blow off top cycle as Gala continuing to gain some ground here. I sent a tweet earlier today, and here was the tweet. I think Gala Games has the most robust gaming ecosystem with the most upside still. They have all the roads paved and are primed for mass adoption. Why do I say this? Well, obviously it's not financial advice. It's my opinion. I'm heavily invested in Gala, so I've put my money where my mouth is regarding this. And again, I don't have a crystal ball, but when I look at great companies, when I try to find great companies that are early on, that still have upside from an investment standpoint, I look at a few different things. Number one, I look at the ecosystem they have and what they've been able to accomplish so far. Well, we've talked about what they've been able to accomplish on the PC side. The ecosystem just grew by a lot, gaining Ember Entertainment, the mobile side, gaining all those users and that user base. The fact they're going into both areas, I think, is big. I think mobile gaming is obviously huge, going to get only bigger. So that's one area I look, right? The other area I look is leadership. And the leadership at the top shows me that these guys have done it before in this space, in the gaming space, right? And when I look at people like that who've had success doing exactly what they're trying to do, all they're doing is now just changing it from a standpoint of, hey, we're going to move into the blockchain. We're still going to build great games. It's all about the gamer first and building a great product. And then, oh yeah, this blockchain element comes in as well. I loved that was the focus. And that's made me a really bullish investor in Gala since I came across the project early 2021. And that's where we're at. So that's the latest here on Gala Games. As Bitbender says, top 25 project in the future. I agree. with this take. Let me know what you guys think down below. Appreciate you guys so much. We'll see you. Bye.